Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool one right here, and basically what these are some sunglasses that's in use when you guys are indoors, outdoor, or wherever you guys want to. And this is from the brand right here, if you can see. So this brand actually makes a lot of different types of sunglasses and they're very popular. So I'll actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like with this one that we have right here. Alright, so when we open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So you see right here, they do price a little baggy and they also give you guys a lens wipe if you guys want to use it. Alright, so you can definitely see that they do price a lens wiper right here. And the other thing right here is actually a little bag. So you can definitely use it to like carry the little glasses inside if you guys want to, which is super nice and super convenient. Definitely really nice how they provide you guys this option here. But right here we have actual product, so let's take it out and see what it actually looks like. So you can see the product is all nicely wrapped, but let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. The lens that's on this sunglass right here is a mirror lens, so you can definitely see yourself on here as a reflection if you guys want to. In terms of the nose piece that they have right here, it's like a silicone material, so it's definitely really comfortable. There's also anti-allergy as well that they mentioned. And they mentioned the way how they designed this part right here is very comfortable, so when you guys put it on, it doesn't push against your head. But let's put it on and test it out to see what it actually looks like and how it feels. Alright. So when we put it on, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely see the reflection of the actual mirror right here, which is pretty cool and very unique. But this is basically what the product looks like that we got right here. So once you put on the sunglass right here, it definitely feels really comfortable, both on the side right here and also on the nose piece as well. So if you guys want to wear this all day, you definitely can because you guys get that all day comfort on here. But this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, it actually looks very cool and actually feels really comfortable as well. But now to unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the sunglasses, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys like this design or any of the other design. If you guys want to get any kind of sunglasses in particular to use this outdoor, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.